Hello traders, welcome to Zion Traders. So today we'll be analyzing EURJPY, right? So before we actually get started with technicals, let's take a look at the fundamentals, right? So coming into forex part right here, we can see all the high impact news we have for this week. Starting with card CPI month over month, and then we can see year over year and the light. And this is actually an interesting one. And actually, personally, I'm actually selling card, and let's see how it goes anyway, right? So and we also have GBP, uh, high bad news CPI here, which is year over year. That's actually on Wednesday, 19th, right? So these are all the high impact news we have right here. So I actually have to filter it, right? So to have only the high impact news, right? So in case you want to filter, you also can simply click here and then filter here, right? So let's get back into the chart. As you can see right here, this is my monthly time frame. We can see that looking at the structures right here, price came to this point and then started buying, and then right now we have a break of structure higher, bullish. This actually means from what we can see right from here, you can see price has actually been bullish over time, right? So this actually means that when we go to lower time frame, we want to look for buys, right? So coming to the lower time frame, even on the weekly time frame, we can also see that the bullish progression, right? So market is also bullish. So that's still makes us to understand, yes, everything we're going to look for is to buy EURJPY, right? So now, where do we enter for a buy, right? So where do we buy from? Because the fact that we know that we want to buy EURJPY, it does not mean that we'll just enter anywhere, right? So that's why we have to scale down to, let's say, daily time frame using a daily time frame structures, and we can also see that it aligns perfectly with that of the monthly time frame. Consumer price created a low here. Price went higher and then gave us a low right here, turning back into this low and then started buying. And then pretty much it we want to buy at a discount. So also when price returns back into this discount area, and then we love to buy from this point so that we don't buy at a very expensive price and the price will start dropping, right? So we want to buy at a discounted price, right? So now we may want to refine this particular zone on the 4 hour time frame so that we get our entry like right. And so our stop loss is not also too wide too, right? So coming into the 4 hour time frame, we can see that a lot of things right here, like it makes a lot of things clearly. So personally, I want to refine the order block to this point, and also we want to see we can see that price came through the lot of this, and then we saw that this zone actually took our liquidity right around this zone, and then we can this is actually an interesting one, and we can see the break of structure right here. So this is a good zone personally, and I'm actually looking at buying from this point, right? So that's pretty much what I'm looking at on EURJPY today, and maybe for this month really, for the rest of this month, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.